Euro USD, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, based on Euro USD, we don't have any trade setup, whether for buy or for sell. Now we want to see how we can trade. We talk about the possibility. Okay, if we want to look for buy, the best things, we let the price to drop one more. Then from there, any buy setup we will look for. That's mean within this range. Okay, that's mean if the price drop, any sharp move flag we take. I mean, we take the buy as long as the price come to this level. That's mean if the price come to around 1.2168. Okay, then from there we start to manage it. Okay, now the thing is, if the price drop, how deep this one can go and whether we can get the proper trade setup within this range or not. Okay, now we need to wait. That's mean right now we cannot confirm. We will wait for the next day. If I get any drop buy setup, then I will share. And how about if this start to correct from here? I think if they start to correct from here also, we cannot get the good trade setup. We need to see. What I can say, maybe we need to wait for the breakout of this top, then we get the correction to look for buy. And can we expect the price from here can drop and retest this low? Okay, if we want to look for sell, the only thing is we need to wait for the sharp move, like similar to what we have here, before we look for sell. That means if the price drop here, start to give a flag similar to what I draw here, or the correction similar to what we have here, then we don't need to look for buy. We can look for sell. The buy should be price drop. We see the sharp move correction. Okay. That's why right now we don't have any trade setup. We will have both possibility. We want to see how we can trade it. Now later, based on forward chart, I explain why we can have both. Whether, I mean, we need to wait to see which option we will get from here, whether buy or sell. As I say, right now we don't have any trade setup. And if the price continue from here, after the breakout, if we get a correction, then from there maybe we can look for buy. Okay, and even if we put this one to each other, we should know that we have a divergence. Okay, that's why we shouldn't buy here without having a trade setup. Okay, if we move to forward chart, we can have a two-way. We can look at this, whether this is the only correction and the internal correction is this, and this one can be a start of the up move. Okay, that's why if we get any buy setup within here, we will look for buy. And another option is, how about if this too is a correction in relative to this 1, 2, 3, and this one can be the one is going to retest this low. That's why we will have the sell possibility as well. Okay, that's why what we have right now that cannot give us a confirmation whether to buy or sell. We need to wait. And as I say, if the price move without giving us a trade setup, we are not going to trade it. For example, if the price continue from here without giving us a trade setup here, we just wait for the breakout, then we can confirm, get the correction, we look for the opportunity. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we want to see what we will get, how this one can correct, whether it can give us a buy or sell. Then from there we can trade it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup or update, then I will share. Thanks.